Hello, I'm Pwint Soe Nyunt, and I'm 19 years old. Now I'm taking ICT, so-called Information and Communication Technology. Alright, when I was 16 and 17 years old, I was teaching basic English to kindergartens and also work at ECC, which is called Emergency Call Center in Myanmar, as a volunteer. Uh, and also, I have participated in sort of charity, so I got a lot of experience of teaching English and getting in touch with multiracial society. So, being an international student, I like to make as well I can by teaching English. Because I want to get international experience by interacting with Thai students. This is my true feeling because this is the passive way to gain my international knowledge and get more improvement of my social skills. I can incredibly sure that I can develop English for skills to Thai students and make them users speak English professionally. That's it. Thank you so much.